Boga mi, onda ćeš se sad. Okay, ladies and gents, welcome to a sort of a new review. It's going to be like a quick one. I was quite up to this point. I'm just going to quickly summon the new Y. This is a long range, and I'm going to do actually a full review. This is a press car. I'm going to get it later for a longer. I just took this like for an hour drive because I'm going to get it end of May. I already driven the another one for just a brief moment, and I think I can summon my impressions briefly, but again I'm going to do a full review later. Okay, new Model Y. Well, it's like the new Model 3 Highland. The interior is very similar, a little bit different design on the speakers here. They're definitely better looking, more posh, and slightly more modern than the legacy Model 3. Regarding changes here, mostly the same architecture. The car is a little bit more stiffer, has a new suspension. It's a little bit more, I would say, slightly more comfortable compared to the one on the legacy that was also upgraded to be more smoother. That light is long, so I know I can pass through it. Now, suspension is more comfortable. The legacy Model 3 already had some sound dampening here and on the top, unlike the legacy Model 3. And it's a bit quieter, but like slightly. It's not too much noticeable difference, I would say. Compared to the Model 3 Highland, I would say it's a lighter car and it's more comfortable regarding the new suspension and regarding NVH, that's noise, vibration, and harshness. So it's lower and it's more quieter at the highway compared to the Model Y, because Model Y is just a classical SUV. It's taller and basically it is then louder. There's more wind resistance and wind noise, and it's heavier, so it's not so comfortable as the Model 3 on this new suspension, which has FSD technology. It's basically sound frequency damping, so it's a little bit less of that thump noises here on the potholes and manholes that are a bit deeper. So that's that. So this has a visual update on the exterior. It was more inspired by Cybertruck on the back as well, but I would say it's also a little bit looking like Porsche style taillights when they're off with the silver part, and like Lexus style transparent stoplights. I personally would prefer stoplights to be position lights and the big bar to being the stoplight, but they did what they did. When I get this car for a longer review, I'll do the night point of view review as well. So that's that. So these were my like early impressions. So I'm gonna shut up here and let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm heading to Tesla, so I won't go to the garage, so I can return the car in time. And this was like a short test drive. So enjoy the rest of the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload my full in-depth review. I'm going to do a detailed tour of the car, of course. I'm going to be driving at night when I'm going to summon all of my impressions behind the wheel. And just before I finish here, I am in standard driving mode for the long range. And Tesla has limited the car to 140, so that's a top speed. And another thing I really have to comment this, and then I'm really gonna just let you enjoy the rest of the video. Turn signal stock is back. It's not that Tesla has listened to the customers, because if they did, they would return the gear stock as well. It was actually regarding Euro NCAP test, or the crash test. In order to get a 5-star rating, you need to have in 2025 a physical turn signal, so it cannot be on the touch screen or on the steering wheel, like on the Model 3. That was not the case. I think also for the hazards, you need to have a button. It is on the top here, although it's a touch button. So, but that's that. So, enjoy the rest of the video. Not sure what happened there with Autopilot, but yeah, I just prefer the thing with a gear. So I just want to demonstrate this one has the FSD. It changes lane for you, but you need to turn actually the steering wheel, which makes absolutely no sense. The Mercedes can do it without your intervention on the steering wheel. I do like the blind spot feature there. We do have some traffic because it's Easter this weekend, so it's just tourists coming in Croatia. Now let's see what's going to happen here. So it's telling me it's not clear. I can see the other car just like letting me go. So, okay, that didn't work. Yeah, I figured it out. It's not a double tap or a double press, it's a one press. There's an option in that, but I don't have it engaged with my car, so it kind of confuses me. So it's working great, it's just a different setting. You just press to disengage it. So, just in front of the Tesla waiting for traffic light. My consumption on this trip was 15.2 kilowatts. From charge all the way there and back is 17 almost, so it's like 16.8, but a pretty good consumption considering everything. But it was very similar to the Legacy one as well. So we're here returning the car. Thank you for watching.